Hey there, content creators! Welcome to our comprehensive guide on 5 tech tips and tricks to enhance your YouTube videos and elevate your content creation game. Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting out, these tips will help you take your videos to the next level. Tip 1. Invest in quality equipment. The foundation of any great YouTube video is quality equipment. Invest in a high-definition camera, a reliable microphone, and proper lighting to ensure crisp visuals and clear audio. Consider using a DSLR camera or a mirrorless camera for superior video quality, and opt for a shotgun microphone or a lapel mic for professional-grade sound. Good lighting is key to a polished look, so invest in softbox lights or LED panels to illuminate your set evenly. Tip 2. Master video editing software. Mastering video editing software is essential for creating engaging YouTube content. Whether you're using Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or a free option like DaVinci Resolve or Shotcut, take the time to familiarize yourself with the software's features and capabilities. Learn how to cut, trim, and splice footage, add transitions and effects, and adjust audio levels for a polished final product. Experiment with color correction and grading to enhance the visual appeal of your videos. Tip 3. Optimize your SEO strategy. Optimizing your SEO, search engine optimization strategy, is crucial for increasing the visibility of your YouTube videos. Conduct keyword research using tools like Google Keyword Planner or TubeBuddy to identify relevant keywords and phrases with high search volumes. Incorporate these keywords into your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve your video's discoverability on YouTube and other search engines. Additionally, create compelling thumbnails and engaging video descriptions to attract viewers and encourage clicks. Tip 4. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is key to building a loyal fan base and fostering a sense of community around your channel. Respond to comments promptly and thoughtfully, and encourage viewers to like, share, and subscribe to your channel. Consider hosting live Q&A sessions or community polls to interact with your audience in real time. Show your appreciation for your viewers' support by giving shoutouts, featuring fan art, or organizing giveaways to incentivize engagement. Tip 5. Stay consistent and experiment. Consistency is key to growing your YouTube channel and maintaining audience engagement. Establish a regular upload schedule and stick to it, whether it's once a week, twice a week, or even daily. Consistent uploads help keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. At the same time, don't be afraid to experiment with new formats, topics, and styles to keep your content fresh and exciting. Pay attention to your analytics to track what works and what doesn't, and be open to adapting your strategy accordingly. And there you have it, 5 tech tips and tricks to help you create amazing YouTube videos. By investing in quality equipment, mastering video editing software, optimizing your SEO strategy, engaging with your audience, and staying consistent while experimenting, you'll be well on your way to YouTube success. So go ahead and start implementing these tips today and watch your channel grow.